one geopolitical conflict hasn't ended and there is one more. But the markets are kind of showing resilience to that now. It's almost as if you're living with these and they may not impact sentiment too much. How do you foresee the next 6 to 12 months to be like for Indian markets?
So Neil, I think we will be in heightened geopolitical situation, not only now for next, in my opinion, next couple of years or maybe next 5, 10 years. It's been going on for last couple of years since 2022, and markets get used to it. Historically, wars and geopolitical conflicts were far, far relevant for economies because of the oil price hike, and which is what partly played out in 2022. Fortunately, I think because of the oil cartel breaking, or I think, different source of supplies coming about, and countries managing to import oil from different sources, I think oil prices continues to remain in check despite the conflict in the Middle East. And I think that gives the big respite from a economic impact on the local economies, including India. So that's the reason I think by and large the dependence on the one source of supply of oil and oil prices are kind of checked. And if you keep that in mind, then I think broadly by and large and normal conflicts will keep happening. There'll be news flows, but news flows don't have impact on the on the economic growth and on the corporate earnings, right? So hence markets are kind of overlooking that. And today, I say that India is far more resilient as an economy. What our RBI governor has done in last 6 months is phenomenal. The 100 basis point rate cut and infusing liquidity in the system is far, far more powerful than anything happening in the world, because this is going to be growth boosting. And I do believe that in the current year you will see earning upgrades happening. There was a data I was seeing yesterday that in the March quarter, the positive surprises ratios went up from December quarter, and I think you will see the positive surprises ratio versus disappointment ratio will keep on inching up, in quarters to come. And as that happens, I think markets will keep doing well. I don't see any structural risk to the economy. I don't see any structural risk to the markets. Of course, sentiment driven, news flow driven correction can come anytime. Nobody can predict that. Nobody can plan for that. Other than that, I think business is as usual.